How to display slide titles from question banks in Storyline 360. Let's explore how to display slide titles from question banks. After you have published the file, open it and access the menu of the published file. In the menu, you will notice that only the scene titles of the question banks are visible. To display the question slide titles, go to Player Properties, which can be found at the top of the interface. Click on the menu button there. Now you will see the scene titles in the menu. Click on the settings icon next to the screen title. Choose Show Slide Draw Contents. Click OK, and then publish the file. You will now see that the question slide titles are being shown.